That means if your motherboard dies, you're going to have a hard time finding a replacement. And if you do, it'll be expensive, especially if it's new. Same for CPUs. The mid-range chips like the i5-10400 or the i7-10700 are getting rarer and more expensive every month. That's because these parts were mass produced during the pandemic, but now they're drying up and nobody's restocking. So if your CPU or motherboard fails, it's not a simple fix. It could mean replacing your whole platform. Honestly, you're better off going AMD M5 or Intel 13th generation or Intel 14th generation. At least you have future upgrades and better part availability. Now, if you already have an LGA 1200 system, that works. It's fine, you don't need to panic. But if you're planning a build or buying used, be careful because if anything breaks, you could be stuck without options. Now, there's still parts available, but like I said earlier in the video, they are still really hard to find and sometimes just overpriced and or you can't find the specific CPU you're looking for. Usually the 11th generation i7s and i5s, they're pretty hard to find. So that's the dark side of LGA 1200. Socket issues, weak boards, RAM headaches, and now overpriced parts with no support.